Let's go. Yeah. I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartier's.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. As you would have seen from the title, we've got a few new changes. Got an induction kit going on, a couple of bits under the engine bay, and a new exhaust. The airbox is really easy. There's just those two bolts on top. Well, not unbolt, but take off all of the hoses, pull them out of the way, and it's as simple as that. Just don't forget your catch can oil filter. But yeah, so that's the new induction kit and whatnot, and there's not really much in this video. It's just a load of old clips and whatnot, but I will actually start talking again in a minute through the video. This is just a voiceover, but yeah, so I'm just gonna let this play for a sec and then I'll start talking again. But cheers guys, I'll see you in the next one.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah.
So there you go guys, the induction kit's there. It's a Rose Motorsport. Can't remember the brand of the comb filter, but at the same time, obviously when you do this you need to put an oil cooler filter on, or the overflow pipe, whatever it is. As you can see, there's a few other bits I've done as well, which I haven't shown at all in this video apart from now. Obviously we've got a cap over that, battery cover, tray cover, the fuse box cover down there, new HT leads, and then a new cap for the oil, the brake fluid and the coolant. I haven't got one for the power steering, which is obviously that one there, because they wanted something like 30 quid for a new cap, because they don't do a cover. It's just a replacement, which is a metal replacement. And then obviously, where is it? The washer bottle top there. But yeah, so in a minute I will give it a little rev so you guys can hear what it sounds like. And there's my fan.
Yeah. I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartier's. And the deserve it, put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service, then I gotta block these, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi, with a bad look like Sky Bree, ooh, right beside me.